Hello, good morning, Namaskar. Today I am going to start a new video on hyperchlorhydria or acidity. This disease or condition is common in India, maybe south part or north part or west part or east part. This disease occurs due to imbalance in dietary habit, especially hurry, worry and curry. Hurry means जल्दबाजी, worry means चिंता and curry means मसालेदार सब्जी. जल्दीबाजी मीन्स जो हम खाना खाते हैं उसे प्रॉपर टाइम पर नहीं खाते, जितना एक निवाले के बाद रोटी जितना चबाना चाहिए उसे हम उतना चबाते नहीं हैं, या हमारे खाना खाने का, भोजन करने का प्रोसेस बदल गया है, उस पर हम पूरा ध्यान नहीं लगाते. Hyperchlorhydria or acidity, sometimes also called chlorhydria, sour stomach or acid stomach, refers to the state in the stomach where gastric acids level are higher than the reference age. Hyperchlorhydria or acidity, sometimes called chlorhydria, sour stomach or acid stomach. Causes of acidity. Number 1, stress. Hectic lifestyle and stress can lead to unhealthy or irregular meals, none of which is good for digestion and may cause acidity. Spicy food or curry. No one wants to live a life that bland. Still, consuming fatty or spicy foods may increase risk of acidity. Too much alcohol, missing meal and binging on junk food. Missing meal means interval between two meals. In 24 hours, one meal means lunch, dinner, breakfast and snacks 4 times. But some person take meal during daytime about 2 to 3 p.m. and in night 8 to 9 p.m. So interval between last meal to first meal means if he take in night about 8 to 10 p.m. then next day 2 to 3 p.m. So this is a long interval and this is not proper diet habit. Endocrinal and idiopathic causes. Along with this, stress, spicy food, taking alcohol, missing meal and habit of junk food, also endocrinal and idiopathic causes responsible for the acidity. Symptoms of acidity can vary individual to individual, but some of the more common ones: burning sensation in chest, burning sensation in stomach, burning sensation in throat, sour taste in mouth, upper abdomen discomfort, post meal heaviness. These are the few common symptoms which is found in generally a cases or a person suffers from acidity. Food that helps to cure acidity. Traditional bland food such as milk, chicken, mashed potato, bananas, apple, and ice cream usually relieve symptoms in patients with dyspepsia, though individuals vary. Eating an apple or banana will help as they act as a buffer for acidity. Fresh fruit will also make your diet healthier in general and helps with acidity. Aloe vera juice is another herbal remedy that can help. With its soothing properties, it cools down the burning sensation. Rice based meals too have been shown to be beneficial for people suffering from frequent acidity. Potatoes are a complex carbohydrate and help when suffering from acidity. However, make sure to have these simple boiled and hot, simply boiled and not fried. How to avoid acidity causing food? Try to avoid fried food. This is not always easy to do with our food variety and the weather that ask for such indulgence, but then moderating the quantity can help, even if you do not eliminate fried food completely. Avoid eating too late at night. This may not always be possible, but then use portion control so that you are not too full when you lie down to sleep. Avoid too much tea and coffee. These beverages are like little shots of energy infuser, but too much of them can do a lot of damage. Try and restrict the intake to 1 or 2 small cups and keep away the large mug. Keep a food dairy and keep a food diary and observe what food leads to excessive heartburn. Try to avoid or limit those food stuff that cause the most problem. These are other common risk factors for acid reflux disease. Eating large meals or lying down right after a meal, being overweight or obese, eating a heavy meal and lying on your back or bending over at the waist, snacks close to bedtime, snacking close to bedtime, eating certain foods such as citrus, tomato, chocolate, mint, garlic, onions, or spicy or fatty foods, drinking certain beverages such as alcohol, carbonated drinks, coffee or tea, smoking, being pregnant, taking aspirin, ibuprofen, certain muscle relaxant or blood pressure medicines. So these are the causes of acid reflux or increased acid production. Homeopathic medicine for acidity. If patient easily angered, then two conditions, no or yes. If no, slow in movement, no movement magphos, yes calcarea karm. If a patient easily angered, anxious, no nux vomica, yes lycopodium. This prescription based on only one symptoms. Management depends upon age, sex, diet, habit, occupation, and environmental condition. Because in India, different environmental condition, that is climate present as like in Kanyakumari and South, Assam, Tripura and Rajasthan, Gujarat. Left hurry, worry and curry for permanent restoration of health without acidity. Iris versicollis, pepsinum and pancreatinum also used in terminal cases where structural changes takes place. Along with this mentioned medicine in this slide, other medicines are also used according to sign, symptoms and condition of the case with proper management. Diet management may be differ according to diet habit, occupation and region. Thank you for watching. Like, share and subscribe. You also read by same author Pocket Manual of Human Anatomy, Pocket Manual of Obstetrics and Gynecology including infant hygiene, Sure Success series on homeopathic pharmacy.